Hello friends, welcome once again. Sometime back I put a video by the name Right Strategy to Prepare for the SSB Interview, where I'd make the reference of the book 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, and iska chapter number 2 tha begin with the end in mind. And then I told you that if you want to achieve a goal, once you set the goal, you should focus on the means that you adopt to achieve the goal. तो अगर वो आपने वीडियो नहीं देखा तो I'll request you to kindly watch it. I have put it in the I button, उसे जरूर देख लेना. Today, in continuation with that, we will see how to develop your personality through total self transformation. SSB is a personality based selection, and many of you in that video asked me how to do that. Now, you can only do that when you understand your own self and then identify the areas that needs to be corrected and the gap identified and work on that. So we will work on that, and I'll give you a model at the end of this video. So kindly watch it till the end. And उससे पहले मैं बता दूं कि अगला जो सेल्फ मैनेजमेंट एंड लीडरशिप एंड एयरफोर्स पे का SSB का जो बैच है, composite batch, 2 weeks and 4 weeks, it is starting from 1st February onwards. So the 2 week batch is from 1st February, 13th February 2021, and the 4 week batch is from 1st February 2021 to 27th February 2021. It is based on the concept of self-management leadership and the leadership book publication by the Art Track and many other books, including Swami Vivekananda का वॉल्यूम 1, जिसमें कि मीन्स अडॉप्टेड के बारे में उन्होंने बड़ा एम्फेसाइज किया हुआ है. सो उसके ऊपर हम बात करेंगे. इट इज़ बेस्ड ऑन दीज principles of self-management leadership, the ideas presented through the Art Track book Leadership and many other books, including Swami Vivekananda's book. So all of you are interested, you can definitely join. The timings for the self-management leadership classes will be from 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. Monday to Saturday, and the classes for the SSB will be conducted from 8:45 to 10:45 a.m. These are the fixed timings. Sometime in case if I'm busy in the morning, we will have an evening schedule, which I'll let you know as an alternate timing in the evening for the SSB classes. 500% clarity guaranteed. That's an assurance. And those who wish to register for it, you can register at 8275577650. All you need to do is send me a WhatsApp message and I'll revert back to you with the details. If you have any clarification required, you can give me a call on this number 8275577650. Kindly share these details with your friends so that they also benefit. 2 weeks and 4 week batch options starting from Monday. Now let's get back to the topic, total self transformation. For the purpose of definition, self transformation is not just about changing yourself from the outside. It means shifting yourself to a completely new dimension of experience and perception. एक सुपरफिशियल लेवल पे बदलाव करने से आपके अंदर पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट नहीं होगा, वो एक पर्सनालिटी मैनिपुलेशन हो जाएगा. उदाहरण के लिए, if you have seen the movie Lagan, this character was Lakha, and he was a physically capable person. Cricket में भी काफ़ी improve कर दिया था, but he had certain attributes that was not making him suitable for the team. He went against the team to a point that people were wanting to kill him at that point of time. And if you compare another character, Bhuvan, now Bhuvan was the one who accepted the challenge, who organized everything. So if you see the way Lakha behaved in the movie till he got transformed, subsequently that Mandirwala event where people went to kill him, and Bhuvan intervened and got him saved, and next day he started picking catches and all those things, and Captain Russell himself got confused कि बंदा ऐसा पलटी कैसे मार गया. So I will let you know what I'm trying to say. कि Lakha was behaving nicely till he was caught, and once he was caught, his mask was exposed and people went to kill him when he entered into the mandir and locked himself, and Bhuvan transformed him, and that transformation was a shift from his previous self to a completely new dimension of experience and perception, and Lakha changed. Similarly, there's another character in Chak De India, Bindya Nayak. She was an excellent player. As a hockey player, she had excellent skills, very talented, but her problem was interpersonal skills, highly egoistic. To one point, she became her character was put into question when she said uske paas kya hai jo mere paas nahi hai. Similarly, Lakha also showed a lot of conflicts with Bhuvan, and his reason for conflict was कि दोनों गौरी को चाहते थे and Lakha was jealous of Bhuvan. But at one point the character got involved when he went to Captain Russell and disclosed the secrets of his team, है ना, क्रिकेट का जो strategy था, and that's the time when Lakha का जो character weakness के कारण everybody got angry, even his father was very upset and people went to kill him. So character weakness. And उसी movie में Kabir Khan was there. A honest man was got branded as Gaddar, whereas he was not Gaddar. It was a innocent handshake with this opponent team which happened to be Pakistan. But उस event को distort करके he was termed as Gaddar, but he was a man of principle. He had the capacity to bounce back, and then the whole movie revolves around him. So two characters, Bindya Naik and Kabir Khan from Chak De India, and Lakha and Bhuvan from what is that? Lagan movie. So Lakha and Bindya both had shown personality problems, and they were useless to the team till they carry on with that attitude. So self-transformation of Lakha and Bindya is not just about changing them from the outside. That's easy. That's a mask. It means shifting Lakha and Bindya to a completely new dimension of experience and perception. And that's a change at the thought level. So when that thought level change happened, they became productive and they became harmonized with the rest of the team, including Bhuvan and Kabir Khan, the respective movie. So मुझे इसके ऊपर जरूर एक कमेंट लिख के भेजना कि मैं ये क्या बोलना चाह रहा हूँ self transformation, because I'm going to use this model to explain you कि you have to change yourself from inside, not simply polishing from the outside. Because by changing at a superficial level, आप mask change कर रहे हो, but at the core of it you still remain Lakha and Bindya. So there is no point when your kuwa is ganda, when there is a lot of value conflicts, your needs, your motives, your value system is in conflict, there is kachra inside your subconscious mind, you cannot effectively function as effective team member. So self transformation के लिए completely new dimension of experience perception तभी होगा when you clean the kuwa. So this kind of an approach, that by hiding Lakha and Bindya's weakness in their core qualities and sprinkling / spreading oil cues as conveyed through some of the SSB books in each line of their ST, and memorizing 30 TATs, and by writing tips and tricks, and by doing 2 PGT, 2 HGT and 10 commands and 6 GOR and 10 obstacle, you cannot become a man or a female of strength with strength of character. For you to have strength of character, you have to have a strong spiritual foundation, and unless you have a strong spiritual foundation, this kuwa cannot be cleaned. So to understand this, we will continue कि इस strong strength of character को develop करने के लिए at what level you have to do the transformation. तो मुझे जरूर बताना ये मैं क्या कहना चाह रहा हूँ, कि क्या लाखा और बिंदिया, मान लो ये एसएसबी कैंडिडेट है, तो ये अपने टीएटी एंड डब्ल्यूएटी को सिग्नेचर कोर्स करके टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स लगा के हाइडिंग देयर वीकनेस इन कोर क्वालिटीज एंड स्प्रिंकलिंग ऑयल क्यू करके क्या ये कुआं साफ हो जाता? तो अगर ये लोग एक सुपरफिशियल टीएटी डब्ल्यूएटी करके ठीक नहीं होते, तो तुमको क्यों लगता है कि बाय डूइंग ऑल दिस थिंग यू विल चेंज? You will only get manipulated. So, mood horny, don't knock the door, Raja. Come directly inside, Raja. Now, this is a character weakness. The kuwa is dirty. So, by hiding this core quality, you don't really change. So, what is the point of improving psychology for SSB? You cannot improve psychology only for SSB. It has to first change for life, because there is no different psychology for SSB and for life. They are one, because the person is one. So this kind of a book where it says keep develop your psychology for SSB by hiding their core qualities and sprinkling OLQ is a distorted way of training yourself for the EA. And so there is no point write a desirable story, TAT story every time. You cannot write a desirable story every time with your subconscious being so dirty. You need to clean this. So उसी continuation में आपको एक example से समझाऊंगा कि when you give a gift to somebody, suppose your friend has got a birthday today and you want to give him a gift, so you take a gift for him. There are two components to this. One is the gift wrapping, which is visible from the outside, this gift wrapping, and second is the gift which is inside but not seen. What does the friend want, the gift wrapping or the gift? The gift. So when he opens the gift, he finds something useful and he takes out the wrapping and throws it away. The wrapping is not what he is looking for. The wrapping only makes the gift look good. The gift wrapping does not define the quality of the gift. So we spend more time in finding the suitable gift. We spend more time on the gift and very less time on the gift wrapping. Though gift wrapping adds attraction, but it does not create value, because the value is in the gift. Now suppose a beautiful gift wrapping, but when you open there is sada hua aloo. Now that's wastage. The friend will say कि साला इसने क्या कर दिया, इतना बढ़िया गिफ्ट रैपिंग के अंदर ये डाल के दे दिया. So दोबारा बोल रहा हूँ, by having a good gift wrapping, it does not define the quality of gift. Similarly, when you go to the SSB, your TAT, WAT, SRT का improvement does not define who you are. When you change yourself as a good person, your TAT, WAT, SRT change. That equation has to be understood. So when you change your mask by changing the TAT, WAT, SRT, by hiding the core quality and doing 2 PGT, 10 HGT, you're simply masking it. You're working on the gift wrapping. The core gift is still left. मुझे बताना क्या समझ में आया. So that's why I say, what is the point of changing the outside when there is no inside? Inside there is sada hua aloo. Inside there is kala kuआं. What is the point of putting it sada hua aloo into beautiful gift wrapping? So मुझे बताना है इस statement से क्या समझ में आया. What is the point of changing the outside when there is no inside? Please work on your inside, because the gift lies inside. It is not visible through the naked eyes. Similarly, your personality, your intellectual component, your emotional component and your value component are not visible through the naked eyes, but they can be observed when we observe your actions. So भुवन और लाखा जो है, उनके एक्शन से पता चल रहा था कि उनके अंदर गड़बड़ है. Similarly, when a candidate goes to the SSB, to these 3 people, you are like a beautiful gift wrapping. But we don't know what lies inside this gift. You are looking for 15 officer-like quality. Do you have it in you? That's a gift. So these 3 people open this candidate, which is a gift, using 3 different techniques: Mansa, Vacha, Karmana. But understand the gift inside is same, and that gift is the self. That's a candidate. So your self-description, what you write in psychological test, the self-evaluation CIQ that you reply in the interview has to be common, because it has to be same, because the gift is same. The 3 people who are dealing with you, they are dealing with the same self. So the qualities that you state in the self-description or the self-evaluation has to be there in all 3, because after all the person is same. The gift inside this gift wrapping is same. So how can be there any variation? That's where the congruence concept is coming. So when you open this gift, they expect these 15 OLQs which are grouped under 4 factors. So these are factor 1, factor 2, factor 3, factor 4. They want this inside. When there is existence of these quality, then you become a man of strength of character. So there is no core quality hiding, and there is no sprinkling OLQ. You are an honest person, you are a man who can be trusted, you are a loyal person, you are a balanced person, you give that, all those things, you tell the truth, you have the moral courage to accept a mistake, blah blah blah. So too much of it, we have already spoken about it. So such people are required for the armed forces. So that's the job of selecting people with certain strength of character. That job is resting with the SSB, and once such people are sent to the academy will train you and make you into potential officers with those caliber that they're looking for. So what is the point of hiding core quality and going there? That simply means you don't have it in you and you're faking it. So उस अप्रोच को आपको छोड़ना पड़ेगा. एंड आपको वैसे भी पता है पर्सनालिटी असेसमेंट इज नथिंग बट स्टडी ऑफ द मास्क. व्हाट डज इट मीन? You go with a beautiful gift wrapping, and these three people will anyway tear that gift wrapping to see who are you from inside. And if this is what is inside, naturally below the mask you are a dirty man because you have a faulty dirty कुआं. उसे साफ करना पड़ेगा. और कुएं के अंदर क्या होता है? कुएं के अंदर ये होता है. The personality assessment implies study of the mask penetrating through the outer mask. That is gift wrapping को फाड़ कर to see who are you from inside. Who is this person? Who is this person inside the mask? What is inside your mask? Your value system, your belief system, your attitude, your needs, your motives, and the means adopted by you to achieve your goal through your hero in TAT, like in this case, Mood Horny, don't knock the door, Raja, come directly inside Raja. So this is what we are looking for: value system, belief system, attitude, need, motive. And where are these things? These are inside this gift wrap. Inside this gift wrap. For that, they have to penetrate through the gift wrapping. So please work on your inside, not on the outside. Don't hide core qualities. इसको समझने के लिए यूँ समझ लो, ये जो स्पून फीडिंग वाला तरीका हाइड कॉल, इसे आपको छोड़ना पड़ेगा और इसे हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा? टोटल सेल्फ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन पे जाना पड़ेगा. व्हाट डज इट मीन? आपके कुएं के अंदर जो अनप्रोडक्टिव नेगेटिव हैबिट्स है, अनप्रोडक्टिव एटीट्यूड्स है, नीड्स है, बिलीफ सिस्टम, इन्हें आइडेंटिफाई करना पड़ेगा. लेट्स कॉल इट A to B, एंड यू हैव टू लीव देन एंड लैच ऑन टू अ मोर प्रोडक्टिव habits, more productive habits. Let's go to C to D. So you have to identify A to B and leave them and latch on to new and productive habits. That is C to D. This is what we do under the program of self-management leadership. Now, there is no point faking core quality. That book is very wrong to write ki hide core quality. It is completely against the naval, air force and army ethos. So I really don't know why somebody has suggested like that. So इस change को लाने के लिए, this switching from A to B to C to D करने के लिए, there is a principle for change. Total self transformation, there is a principle. There are certain methodology to do that will teach you in the self management leadership, and you have to understand for bringing this change. You have to change at 4 levels. How many levels? At 4 levels. Let's see what are those 4 levels. This is where you have to catch on to this and understand. मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ उसको ध्यान से सुनना. The lowest level is called the level 1 training, or the behavioral level, or the action level changes. Let's call it level 1. So for example, when today father is in the house because there is a छुट्टी, Sunday है, तो पापा घर पे है, तो I sit and study because I know कि आज मैं अगर टीवी देखूंगा he will scold me. So I sit and study. This is not my daily routine. I'm doing it today because Papa is on chutti today. But tomorrow when he goes to office, I'll come back to my own masti. I'll watch TV, I'll go with friends and do all that, and come back before Papa comes and sit for study. So I am behaving at the action level. For example, you're taught to hide core quality. That means you have a deficiency in your core quality, but the sir is suggesting कि hide it, don't show it to them and make them fools and get recommended. So you are essentially not changing, but you are only masking it. है ना? डेड बॉडी का ड्रामा बना दो, उससे तुम लीडर बन जाओगे. These are all actions. They have no logical support, but please understand, all your actions have got components coming from your subconscious mind. So the qualities that you're looking for, that has to come from well number 1. But you're told to hide all your weaknesses. Well number 2. Who will clean this well number 2? So there is no personality development without character development, and there is no character development unless you learn how to clean the world inside you. इसको समझाने के लिए आपको यूँ समझ लो कि जब इन्होंने ये लिखा डोंट नॉक द डोर राजा, कम डायरेक्टली इनसाइड राजा, he is actually trying to show OLQ. See, but then the point is, whatever he did, it was his behavior level. So this candidate's behavior is a function of his personality interacting with a given environment. The picture was given to him, the environment he created inside by stating what led to the situation. If you've not already watched it, watch it. And then he did some action, है ना, खिड़की से आया, चारपाई टूट गया, फिर A grade मिला, whatever, that was action. But that action itself has got an intellectual component. Intellectual component matlab there has to be an understanding. So this candidate has to first understand that what he's writing is an internal decision that he has taken, and he is only expressing it outside through the use of pen. So pen is not responsible, or his mouth is not responsible for what he's speaking. His thinking is responsible, and that thinking, there is an intellectual component जिसमें कि SSB में EI, RA, OA and power of expression. What is this? Effective intelligence, reasoning ability, organizing ability, power of expression. These are the intellectual component. So in his story, the story was demonstrated at the action level, but that story consisted of an intellectual level, which consists of his reasoning, which consists of his problem solving, organizing ability, and his ability to express his ideas clearly, adequately, and with ease. That's power of expression. So he used that. So in his story, you can see there is an intellectual component. Whether that intellectual component is meeting with the definition as provided by the SSB or the attributes that are conveyed by the DIPR, that's a matter of interpretation by the psychologist, which you can do it now. The third level is the feeling level. Feeling is the emotional dimension. इसके अंदर जो OLQs है वो है social adaptability, cooperation and sense of responsibility. So feeling, whatever he is speaking, he must feel, and whatever he feels, it is coming in his action and in his decision. So feeling dimension, interpersonal dimension, the way he relate with the other person. So look at the story and look at the feeling dimension. In fact, when you listen to his story, there is a feeling dimension in you which gets generated. A particular kind of thought pattern gets generated for him. Look at the quality of that. So social adaptability, cooperation and sense of responsibility, it corresponds to the feeling dimension. So the 4 levels you have to change: the behavioral level, lowest level, this is mask; the intellectual level at the understanding level; the emotional level is at the feeling dimension. So jab aap, when your head and heart are aligned, naturally your behavior will be more refined and more head and heart are into that job. But if you are only intellectually trying to do something but not feeling के level पे, you're not involved, naturally the efficiency will not be there. You will not like doing that. You're only doing that because you have to do that. For example, अगर आपको current affairs को तैयार करना है and you don't like current affairs but you're doing it because at the understanding level you know कि मुझे करना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो SSB में जाके मेरी बेइज्जती हो जाएगी और मैं मेरे को उड़ा देंगे वहाँ से. But you don't feel like improving your current affairs, but you have to do it. So that means what? Level 3 is not supporting you. You are only doing at the level 2. Efficiency will not be there. So feeling dimension is important. The highest level is consciousness level or the thought level. Thought level or the conscious, this is the highest level. So level 1, level 2, level 3 and level 4. At the thought level, this candidate has to first make sure there is purity in his thinking, because unless there is purity in his thinking, there cannot be purity in his action. So Mansa is here and Karmana is here. Beach mein there is an inner process. So unless there is purity in his thought, there cannot be purity in his words and actions. Kya samajh mein aaya? Unless there is purity in the candidate's thought, there cannot be any purity in his thoughts, words and action. गंगोत्री में अगर साफ नहीं होगा तो गंगा साफ नहीं होगी, और गंगोत्री इज योर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड. अगर वहां पे आपके वैल्यू सिस्टम, बिलीफ सिस्टम, एटीट्यूड, नीड्स, मोटिव्स, इमोशंस, अगर उनके अंदर डर्ट है, वो डर्ट आपको नीचे के L3, L2 एंड L1 में अफेक्ट करेगा. सो इफ यू कैन observe your thoughts when a stimulus is presented, this is taking charge of your inner communication, that this thought itself will get manifested as Mansa, Vacha, Karmana in the SSB. So if you want to go through total self-transformation, you cannot do it at the action level, which is the area where the entire SSB is focusing on. They are only trying to tell you tips and tricks to write good TAT without touching at your intellectual level, without touching your emotional level, without touching your consciousness level. In fact, इसको corrupt कर दिया है. There are books which says hide weakness in core quality and sprinkle OLQ. They're targeting your behavioral level, action level पे. There is no understanding. You tell me, how can dead body become drama and they make you a leader? They cannot, because you're showing that your logic system is not working. You're simply changing at the behavioral level. I don't know आपको मेरी बात समझ में आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा है. So tips and tricks, they are targeting at the level 1, but when you come to the self-management leadership classes, we are trying to touch you at the consciousness level, that you cannot change just the outside without touching the core. When the core is corrupted, the outside shining has no meaning, like Lakha and Bindya Nayak. So Lakha and Bindya Nayak can be taught to train nicely, but unless they work on these higher levels, understanding level, this is the logical level, feeling level, this is the emotional level, and this is the value dimension. Unless you work on these 3 levels, the action level has no consequence, because your behavior is a function of your personality interacting with a given environment. And personality is not simply what you show on the outside, that's body. What happens within your intellect, that's a decision making faculty. What happens within the emotion, that's the interpersonal dimension of you. And what's happened within your consciousness, that is your value system. These 3 influences the way you take decisions. इसके लिए आप वो MIS of self वाला वीडियो देखना. So what happens within you is of more consequence than what's happening outside you, because what is happening outside you is simply a reflection of what is happening within you. So if you can manage the world inside you, you can manage the world outside you. अगर ये बात आपको समझ में आ रहा है तो याद रखना कि OLQ की आप एक्टिंग करने से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, बिकॉज 12 TAT में ये निकल के आएगा ही आएगा. सो कुआं साफ नहीं है, कुआं गंदा है, तो इसका इनपुट हैंडपम्प है, चलाओगे, और उस हैंडपम्प को चलाने के लिए स्टिमुलस है. स्टिमुलस अंदर जाके हैंडपम्प चलाएगा, अंदर के पानी को निकाल के रिस्पॉन्स बना के बाहर लेके आ जाएगा. इस रिस्पॉन्स के एनालिसिस करके कुएं की पानी की गुणवत्ता को 4 लेवल पे चेक किया जा सकता है. सो व्हाट यू राइट you write using a pen at the physical level. हम उसको पढ़ के देखते हैं कि इसमें डिसीजन लेवल पे क्या हुआ, इमोशनल लेवल पे क्या हो रहा है, वैल्यू लेवल पे क्या हो रहा है. इट्स वेरी इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड इट, एंड इट इज ऑल्सो वेरी इजी फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड इट. व्हाट इज डिफिकल्ट इज टू ब्रिंग द चेंजेस, बट दैट रिक्वायर्स कमिटमेंट, दैट रिक्वायर्स एफर्ट, दैट रिक्वायर्स डेडिकेशन, सिंसियरिटी ऑफ पर्पस, ऑनेस्टी, ट्रुथफुलनेस. अगर ये सब नहीं है तुम में भी और मुझ में भी, देन फिर कोर क्वालिटी को हाइड कर दो. 2 PGT, 2 HGT, 10 HGT करवा दूंगा, एंड स्प्रिंकल OLQ करवा दूंगा, एंड यू विल बिकम नंबर 1. आई विल बिकम फाइनेंशियली रिच. बट दैट्स नॉट सर्विंग द कंट्रीज इंटरेस्ट. That's simply selfish interest. I want to get recommended even with character weakness. उसके लिए मेरे जैसे कोचिंग वाले जो तुम्हें हाइड कोर क्वालिटी सिखाते हैं. Please be considerate to your motherland. Why do you want to go into armed forces with character weakness, with deficiencies in you? Would you like to get your country defended by such low moral, low character personalities, leaders? We already have many. So I think it is also our responsibility as coaching wale people not to indulge in this core quality hiding and sprinkle OLQ training and dead body ka drama and rote memory base, because it is damaging the country. It is serving nobody's interest other than my own selfish interest, that I become number 1 in the country and I can have, a lot of money out of making fool of you. No, I think there is an honorable way to do that. So please understand, OLQs जो है वो आप एक्टिंग से नहीं कर सकते हो. उसको अगर आपको डेमोन्स्ट्रेट करना है, यू हैव टू work on your value system, you have to work on your belief system, you have to change your attitude towards yourself and to others, to the SSB. You have to respect SSB, you cannot fool them. You have to understand that whatever needs you have, those needs must be socially, intellectually, emotionally and morally and ethically correct, and the means that you adopt to achieve that should be correct, not this approach. Your motives, your every action ke piche there is an intention. That intention is what we are trying to understand. So before we understand, you understand yourself, and please make sure that the means you adopt to achieve your goals must be legitimate, honorable, and based on these qualities that we are looking for. Don't hide core qualities. Reject that book and don't spread OLQs because you're cheating. You're simply trying to mask it. So don't do this. Don't hide core qualities. That's my suggestion again. And I will request you to kindly post your comment कि इस वीडियो से आपको क्या समझ में आया, because I understand कि इस वीडियो में जो कुछ भी मैं बोल रहा हूँ conventional जो signature courses है उससे बिल्कुल ही हटके है. I am not a sweet talker. I am a straight and a hard talk master. I am a कोर से ही फौजी हूँ and कड़वा सच बोलता हूँ. पता नहीं मेरी कड़वा सच आपको समझ में आ रहा है या नहीं आ रहा है, या आप ये कर ही नहीं सकते हो, करना नहीं चाहते हो, आपको शॉर्टकट अच्छा लगता है, तो मुझे ज़रूर बताना कि आपको शॉर्टकट अच्छा लगता है या अपने ऊपर काम करने को तैयार हो. अगर अपने ऊपर काम करने को तैयार हो, give me a feedback. Contact me at 8275577650 and we'll take it further from here. So please understand, total self-transformation is not just about changing you from outside. It means shifting you to a completely new dimension of experience and perception. So a superficial change for the SSB only at the action level is no transformation. Many people say we don't coach, we transform. Oh my God, you ask them to hide core quality. That's not transformation, that's manipulation. So you have to grow intellectually, you have to grow emotionally, and you have to clean your thoughts. So consciousness level, that's the highest level. इधर अगर change आ गया तो नीचे level के change is a consequence, क्योंकि energy flows from higher potential to lower potential, and thought energy is the highest energy. So we're looking for an honest person, we are looking for a person with sense of duties, who meets his obligation, who has the courage to tell the truth and not hide core qualities and sprinkle OLQs, person who gives others their due, a person who is considered weak, a man who is principled and who has the courage to stand by them, not a man of disintegrity की साला कैंडिडेट को बोलते कोर क्वालिटी हाइड कर दो. So balance in both good and bad times. A person is loyal and can be trustworthy. Are you a trustworthy person? Ask yourself this question. So don't hide core qualities. कचरे ने अगर कितना भी core quality hide करके ना tips and tricks सीख ले to write good SSB, good TAT, good WAT, and किसी का SD ला के चिपका दो, sprinkle OLQ कर दो, he remains a kachara. For him to transform, he has to transform at the intellectual level, at the emotional level, at the value level. Only then his action will change. So Lakha and Bindya, when they understood कि whatever they're doing was wrong, when the feeling dimension was corrected, when the thought was corrected, the action got corrected, they become a valuable person in their respective team. Similarly, if you want to go to the SSB and want to show you that you have it in you, you have to sharpen your intellect, you have to correct your emotional fluctuations and become a man of emotional resilience के साथ, and then a person with purity in thoughts, and you will become a man of character. So that's a word. So those who want to attend the next composite batch, 2 weeks oblique 4 weeks, starting from 1st February onwards, 2 weeks batches from 1st February to 13th February 2021, and the 4th week back is from 1st February 2021 to 27th February 2021. The 100% क्लैरिटी का वादा है, वो तो आपको वीडियो से ही अंदाज़ा लग गया होगा. एंड हम हर चीज़ में आपके इधर टारगेट करूंगा, अनलाइज कन्वेंशनल कोचिंग जो कि रोट मेमोरी बेस्ड एक्शन पे टारगेट करते हैं कि कोर क्वालिटी हाइड कर दो. वी विल टारगेट एवरीथिंग एट दिस ईयर. वी विल टारगेट एट फीलिंग लेवल, विल टारगेट द कॉन्शियस लेवल. SML is completely on managing the self. If I can manage the world inside me, I can manage the world outside. So your behavior is simply a consequence of the quality of your personality. So when you change from inside, your response on the outside will anyway change. So to register, send me a WhatsApp message 8275577650. For any clarification, call me at this number, share with your friends. And just for the information, the class timings are as under. Self-management classes will start from 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. Monday to Saturday, and the SSB classes will be from 8:45 to 10:45 a.m. Monday to Saturday. In case if I have any commitment, which I have because I'm taking my daughter for physiotherapy, So in those cases, I'll have evening classes from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. But I have actually shifted it from 2 days, and I'm having it at these two timing only. This is only in case of some commitment. So 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. and 8:45 a.m. to 10:45 a.m. So morning may it will be over. You have an option of 2 weeks and oblique 4 weeks to register. WhatsApp me at 82755777650 and I'll get back to you. So I want your feedback. The next video you'll get it when I get about 300 plus comments. I want your comments. Many people watch it but they don't put comments. I'll request you to do that. Like it, subscribe it, so that you get next video immediately once I post it, and do share it if you find these videos meaningful. Thank you and may God bless you. मुझे बताना कि ये क्या समझ में आया, level 1, level 2, level 3 and level 4. SSB में भी आपको पता है there are 4 factors, factor 1, factor 2, factor 3, factor 4. इधर भी 4 level है. So once your consciousness level is cleared, your emotions are cleared, your intellect are clear, your action will follow. Don't train yourself at the action level. I don't know आपको ये मेरी बात क्या समझ में आया, जरूर मुझे बताना. And thank you and may God bless you. Thank you very much and see you very soon. Thank you.